The birth of a popular meme video. This video
Who is she?
comes from the 2001 movie Zoolander. Ben Stiller spots his rival Hansel on the red carpet and just stares. TikTok turned it into a meme in 2022 by adding, "Who is she?" making it the famous and widely used stare meme. This video
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just don't feel like thinking up.
came from a YouTube cover of the Lazy song Funny Fail by Gigi Delana as part of a blooper reel when their pianist whistles. But it sounded funny and became famous for being funny.